Dear students, good morning. Hope you will find at your respective places. In continuation to the topic, to the last video, we were discussing the fruit and its types. To recapitulate how we have classified these fruits. The fruits they have been classified on the basis of the number of ovary and number of flowers that has taken part in the formation of the fruit. On that basis, we have classified the fruits into three categories. First one, simple fruits. Second one, aggregate fruits. And third, composite fruits. Now, in this case, simple fruits, it is mainly the monocarpellary flower, that is only a single ovary it can take part in the formation of the fruit. Aggregate में कहेंगे it is the polycarpellary apocarps, they are free. So there are many carpels, that is many ovaries, they take part in the formation of and they can take part in the formation of the fruit, and each ovary is considered as the fruitlet. यहां पर अगर हम बात करेंगे कंपोजिट में, it is the whole inflorescence that take part in the formation of the flower. We have got some what we call as the influencer, that is the catkin, that is the spike, and that is the spadix, that is the hypothodium. These are some of the inflorescences that take part in the formation of this flower. Now, this simple fruits की अगर हम बात करेंगे, they are further on two types. First one, that is the dry simple fruits, and this we have got fleshy fruits, या यहाँ पर हम कहेंगे dry fruits, that is the fleshy fruits. And this is mainly based on the कि जो ovary wall जो है, that has converted into the fruit wall, which is called as the pericarp. Whether this pericarp is dry or whether it is fleshy. Now, these dry fruits, they are further classified into three categories. That is the dry, simple, dehiscence fruits. Second one, dry, simple, indehiscent fruits. And third, dry, simple, chasiocarpic fruits. यहाँ पर क्या होता है इस फ्रूट में, dehiscent fruit में, we will see that these fruits they rupture and they release the seeds. In case of indehiscent fruits, जो fruits होते हैं they do not rupture in order to release the seeds. This chasiocarpic fruits में क्या देखेंगे, that they are in between the dehiscent and indehiscent fruits. That is, there may be a fruit, it may be what we call as the partial dehiscent, and it may be the wholly dehiscent. What happens here? We will try to discuss this chasiocarpic fruits. These two we have already discussed, that is dry simple dehiscent fruits and the simple indehiscent fruits, which we have already discussed. Today we are going to discuss this simple chasiocarpic fruits. What happens in these chasiocarpic fruits? Schizocarpic fruits. What happens there? Two conditions. Fruit जो होता है, upon maturity, it dehisces to give rise to the one-seeded parts, and these one-seeded parts, they do not dehisce seeds. यहां से seeds रिलीज नहीं हो जाते हैं. In this part, what happens? जो मैच्योर फ्रूट होता है, it dehisces into one seeded part, and the part जो होते हैं, they dehisce seeds. Sense of seeds takes place. This what happens there? जो मैच्योर फ्रूट होता है, it undergo dehiscence and it give rise to the one seeded parts, and this one seeded part जो होता है, it does not release that one seed. While as in this case जो complete fruit होता है या जो mature fruit होता है, it dehisces into one seeded part, and each seeded part it releases the seeds. So this is partial, यहां पर dehiscence हो जाती है, यहां पर whole dehiscence हो जाती है. In this part, this जहां पर हम देखते हैं कि जो one seeded part which does not release the seeds, it is called as mericarp, and this is called as cocci. This is called as cocci. Now this is of different types. First one, अगर हम इसकी बात करेंगे, this mericarp की, या we do not dehiscence, lomentum. Lomentum, it is a type. अगर मैं इसकी आपको एग्जाम्पल दूंगा, that is the coconut. Sorry, groundnut. Sorry, it is the groundnut. अगर मैं groundnut की बात करूंगा, what happens there? Lomentum में हम क्या देखते हैं? It is the groundnut fruit. It has got constructions. It has got constructions like this, and these constructions, they have got the single seed. It is a mature seed, and the mature seed, it has got constructions. Now when the dehiscence takes place, this complete fruit, it gives rise to this single seeded part with a seed in between them, this. But जो हम देखते हैं कि this part, this is a mericarp. Now this mericarp, it does not release the seeds. यहाँ से seeds release नहीं हो जाते. They remain within this fruit. This is the mature fruit, but there are the constructions. And when the dehiscence takes place, it gives rise to this single seeded part. This single seeded part is called as the mericarp. But these single seeded parts, या these mericarps, they do not dehiscence the seeds. यहाँ पर seeds नहीं बनते. This is the lomentum. Second part समझाने के लिए what we will do, हमारे पास एक और है. What is this called as? This is called as cremocarp. क्रीमोकार्प की अगर हम एग्जांपल, क्रीमोकार्प अगर मैं इसकी एग्जांपल दूंगा, वी हैव गॉट दिस कोरिएंडर, वी हैव गॉट द फेनल. सी व्हाट हैपेंस देयर, व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस क्रीमोकार्प. अगेन it is this type, mericarp type. This is the coriander seed. This is the coriander seed. It is circular in shape, and it has got two these parts like this. Again the construction is there. This guards the seeds, this guards the seed. Now what happens when the dehiscence takes place? This gives rise to this part. This gives rise to this mericarps. यहाँ पर mericarp बन जाते हैं. ये part, this has got a single seed there, this has got a single seed there. रखा याद? what happens there, जब हम देखते हैं कि that this mericarp जो है, it does not dehiscise the seed, it does not rupture in order to release the seed. This mericarp, this is called as the cremocarp. If you have seen the coriander, it is greenish circular in shape, and it has got this construction. When it releases, the partial dehiscence takes place, it forms these two parts. These are the mericarps, and these mericarps have the single seed in them. But these single seeds, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, they do not release the seeds. You got my point? This is the cremocarp. This was this part where we will see कि जो mature fruit होता है, upon dehiscence it converts into the dehiscides this single seeded part, and each part जो होता है single seed, it does not release the seeds. Now in case of this कोकाई की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, what happens there in कोकाई की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, कोकाई की अगर हम बात करेंगे, we have got the example castor fruit. कैस्टर फ्रूट की अगर हम बात करेंगे, यहां पर हम देखते हैं कि जो मैच्योर फ्रूट होता है, इट अंडरगोज डेहिसेंस. चलो, it undergoes dehiscence, first dehiscence, and it forms the single seeded part. For example, it forms the single seeded part. These are single seed, and each single seeded part, that is this कोकाई, these are called as the कोकाई. This is the कोकाई, this is the कोकाई, this is the, it is not, because they release the seeds. यहाँ पर भी seed release हो जाता है, यहाँ पर भी they release the seed. But in case of mericarpus, no seeds are released. यहाँ पर rupture हो जाता है. This कोकाई, it ruptures, whereas this mericarp जो होता है, it does not rupture in order to release the seeds. This was about the schizocarpic fruits, where we will see it has got the partial dehiscence as well as it has got the whole dehiscence, where we will see the mature fruit जो होता है, under the two what we call as the two stages, it dehiscides the fruits. Now in the second video we will try to discuss the fleshy fruits. जो हमारे पास आता है इसमें सिंपल फ्रूट्स में, दैट इज द फ्लैशी फ्रूट्स. वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस दोज फ्रूट्स, व्हाट आर दोज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ दीज फ्रूट्स. वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस देम. अंटिल देन, गुड बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, थैंक यू.